Back outside. Caitlin's got some updates on that accident I was just showing you before 5:30. What's going on?
Yep, well, that accident just cleared up, Trent. I was just watching it here on the ODOT camera. So no accidents out here on the roads as of now. Things are moving pretty well despite the rain. I'll give you a peek here of 90 eastbound here. You can see a little bit of ponding maybe here or there, and roads are definitely wet, and we got the rain coming down. But again, just as Trent said, not too many problems out here. But I want to take some time to talk about a law that did just go into effect. It's called Live's Law, and it targets repeat offenders by giving courts the authority to impose enhanced sentences on offenders with previous OVI convictions if they are found guilty of aggravated vehicular homicide, vehicular assault, or involuntary manslaughter. Now, the law is named after Ohio native Olivia Wright, who was killed by a drunk driver in 2020 in Franklin County. And the law introduces a tiered system that increases the mandatory minimum prison sentences based on the number and nature of offenses. And it also increases the maximum fine for aggravated vehicular homicide, including OVI, to $25,000. Now, Live's Law also allows police officers to collect oral fluid samples from drivers suspected of driving under the influence. Before, the law only permitted blood, urine, and breath tests, but the Highway Patrol tells us sometimes those tests have their limitations.
The breath test would not pick up the presence of drugs of abuse. With blood, we have a challenge that law enforcement officers can't just collect blood from someone that's been arrested. We'd have to take them to a hospital and get processed that way. Urine, there's some issues with urine, like same-sex collection. Being a male, I can't collect a urine sample from a female.
And oral fluid samples can return results within minutes, and refusing such tests can result in criminal charges. It will also now mandate those who have been charged with an OVI 2 or more times to use breathalyzers in order to start their vehicles. Mike, Tiffany.